Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. So in today's video guys, I want to show you how to use my eyes only feature on Snapchat. So guys, as we know, the my eyes only feature allows users to hide snap on Snapchat. So once you hide a snap to my eyes only, then only you will be able to see that snap. So guys, let's go ahead and learn how to do this. Now if you want to do this, just open your Snapchat app and click on this gallery option right here. Now once you click on that, you're going to find all your snaps here on Snapchat, and then if you just scroll right here, you're going to find my eyes only option. Then click on that. Now if you're clicking on this for the first time, you'll be asked to create a new password. So I've already done that before, and I'm using this my eyes only not quite long ago. So just go ahead and create your own password. So what I'm just going to do right now is to enter my password and show you how to make use of this my eyes only feature. Alright, so I've clicked on that, and as you can see right here, I have this picture right here. So if I want to add snap from here to my eyes only, what I have to do is this. I just have to click on the particular snap I want to move to my eyes only, and then I'll find these three dots at the top right corner of this snap. So if I click on that, then I'll find the option to hide snap, in brackets my eyes only. So I'm going to click on that and click on move, and then that snap moved to my eyes only. So let me click on that. Alright, so here's the snap I just moved. Now I can still choose to recover this back to my snaps, so I can still move it away from here by clicking on the snap again, and then click on the three dots at the top right corner of the snap, and then I'll find this option to unhide snap. So I'm going to click on that. Let me do that to this one also, and you will discover there's no snap here on my eyes only again. So I'm going to go back to my snaps, and you find out that the two snaps that was in my eyes only has been moved to this place. So guys, this is how you can use my eyes only feature on Snapchat. Hope this guide was helpful to you. If it was, give this video a like, and please subscribe to this channel to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.